whole new level. That's why gantry robots are a desirable solution. At the outset, the goal was to eliminate any repetitive motion activities on the line. There were numerous material feeders that were manually loaded by operators. To meet demanding production requirements, CAMotion, along with Siemens, developed a solution for safety that combined the accuracy of vision systems with wireless controls. The result is a system that is dramatically safer and more productive.
The customer was looking for a system that was fully automatic, that was an open design, no physical barriers, would work hand in hand with their operators.
CAMotion's gantry robot operates on rails 20 feet apart, spanning 150 feet. A video-based motion control system is trained to accept a wide range of variables in the environment. Products that are misaligned, pallets that are not squared to the production line. Loads are precisely picked up and lowered into position. The safety perimeter is electronically managed, dynamic, and changes rapidly through the production cycle. No fencing or other physical barriers are required.
Literally everything that you're seeing transpire in this system is done in real time. It's 100% vision guided, and it uses no hard locations that are typically taught with traditional robotics.
One area where you can see the difference between the older manual method of operation and the new solution is in the cabling. What makes the difference is wireless. The control system for the entire system runs through a wireless Ethernet network that updates safety and operational information nearly 1,000 times a second. This type of real-time requirement could only be met by using Profinet as the industrial Ethernet solution. The ability to run all plant communications on a single wireless network delivers many business advantages as well.
This system needed to be scalable to go into a variety of different plants, and it needs to be set up for a line any given day for any given job.
Using wireless to combine safety and operational information in one network is more cost-effective. Engineering is simplified. Fewer cables means less breakage. Maintenance is reduced, and so is downtime. And upgrading the technology is dramatically easier. The customer had two objectives: safety and reducing costs. CAMotion was able to achieve both.
There is no doubt that many U.S. companies are experiencing a cultural change when it comes to safety. In the past, it was viewed as a burden. Today, it's an opportunity to provide a safer environment for workers and improve the bottom line. Liberty Mutual was at the forefront of the earliest work on machine safeguarding. Today, groundbreaking research continues at the Liberty Mutual Research Institute for Safety.
Much of our earlier work was on acute traumatic injury, which included machine injuries during the Industrial Revolution. And some of that early research has become worldwide machine safety standards.
According to research, the ranking of the top 10 causes of disabling workplace injuries include being struck by moving objects or being caught in or compressed by moving machinery. Both are significant when we look at machine safety.
Overall trends in the frequency of injuries in this country has been declining for a few decades now. However, the trend in frequency of the more severely disabling injury has not declined as much. And the cost of work injuries is actually escalating due to medical inflation and wage inflation.
The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the manufacturing sector's frequency rate is about 40% higher than all industry in this country. That has a huge impact on costs.
The cost to the business is the lost wage replacement and the medical cost, which is really a burden of the employer. Regardless of the insurance mechanism, the employer ultimately pays the cost of those injuries.
But the total economic burden must include indirect or hidden costs.
About 3 to 5 times the direct cost is the indirect cost: damaged equipment, damaged product, lost productivity, replacement workers.
And that's where the opportunity lies. When you move from safety as an afterthought to safety by design, it pays big benefits.
From a cost standpoint, it's just way better than the traditional methods we used in the past.
Product improvements, productivity improvements, better insurance rates. There's just a lot of things that come out of this.
And it's good for the reputation of your company, it's good for your stakeholders, it's good for your stockholders, it's good for your customers.
Today, safety is about more than just compliance, more than avoidance of fines. It's about safety by design. Companies that use risk assessment to understand the complexities of how people interact with machines, minimize the risk, and maximize the benefits. Aztec, Opel, KUKA, Camotion. Safety. It's time to uncover the competitive advantage.
God, I feel like it's gone on forever.
I like the goat better because the Lone Ranger is a hero already.
Is there anything else you want to tell me?
I need a raised mic.
No.
Cut.
Cut.
That was weak.
You're losing valuable downtime. Yeah, valuable downtime.
Natural.
I think what's happened is, I forget.
Look at it, yeah.
I lost my train of thought.
What's my name? I can't do this. I hate this. I don't want to be a movie maker.
My boss will probably tell you the same thing, I hope.
Okay.
Is that good?